Hello friends, in this video we are going to install Clever Reach. Okay, so I have already downloaded the extension from this marketplace, Clever Reach. Okay, so here's a Clever Reach, that is a seller name. So I'm just going to install this extension. There is a new funda for installing the extension. Previously we are just there is an option to download the extension then install that extension, but now the process is changed. You need to follow the CLI command. So here you need to follow this command. Okay, so I'm just doing that. Composer require what is the component name. Let's go and check. The component name is clever magento 2. So I'm just going to put clever magento 2. Okay, and what is the version? 3.3.0. And I'm going to replace with 3.3.0. I'm just copy and just paste it, and let's try to install the extension. Now the composer is updating. Now we have to run the commands and check. Until it's installing the extension, let's create an account on Cleverreach. So first of all, we have to go and check the Cleverreach, and here is the Cleverreach document, and we need to first account and pricing. Create a new Cleverreach account in the course of plugin installation to log into the now. Click here, and you will go to the Cleverreach. Sign up for free. Sign up with Google. Now I'm able to fetch the, I'm logged in with that. Let's check whether the extension is installed. The extension is installed now. So let's move on with compilation and all. First compile the code, then upgrade. Read much more about thing. And in Magento we need to go to the clever reach, and here we opt in default store and all. We need to check the configurations. So let's first compile the code. It is taking time. Let's check how the clever reach works over here. This clever reach integration, and this could transfer the synchronized data, newsletter subscription and unsubscribe personal customer data such as first name, last name, gender, last order, opt-in sign-up forms, more email recipients during the initial synchronization. A opt-in sign-up form automatically created for you, and you can easily insert into Magento store. Okay, you have the option to you use a Cleverage opt-in forms for the newsletter sign-ups or directly Magento store. Automatic abundant cart emails, integration of content in your newsletters, monitor your success at a glance, conversion tracking with connected extension, multi-shop solutions. Okay. Next we now going to reach upgrade command. Now it's completely done fastly. See the clever code, clever reach. Test Magento generated the code. Now deploy. then permissions. Now we have to paste the next commands. Now it's done. Let's log in with the test magento and check. Localhost test magento admin. See, the Clever Reach module is available right here now. Go to Clever Reach. We have the settings. Let's go to the do the settings part first. It says that there has been error in processing in your requests. A00. Okay, now we have to check this. What the error it is, A00. So we go to the var reports. What it is, A00. Let's open it. What exactly the issue is showing him. Service of type Clever Reach integration core infrastructure task running backup is not registered. So this is the issue, like this is not working. Maybe some core module is missing. So let's check which module is missing. But googling it, what exactly it is. This is something I guess different. We have to solve this issue by themselves. So it says service of type Clever Reach integration task execution task runner wake up is not registered. Which service? Get service Clever vendor Clever module admin HTML base routing.php. So let's check what we have the error. Some settings we have maybe missed, so we have to do the settings first. This Clever Reach dashboard still all has the same error. What is now right? 06 service of type Clever Reach integration core infrastructure task is not registered. It says base routing.php vendor Clever to Clever routing is not.